Good afternoon, good evening, grand rising. Thank you for tuning in. All my new subscribers, all my new followers, uh, like, subscribe, and share. Hit the notification bell. We're going to talk about clear your doubts about credit privacy number. Give you the government website, uh, and also we're going to go through it. As further inquiries, do not hesitate to get your one free consult. Email is in description, and also phone numbers in description. And check out my other website, shopee.gg, Urban Stream Media. You can buy all ebooks with Bitcoin on that site. So let's get started. Clear your doubts about credit privacy numbers, CPN. Our client's privacy numbers legal. Obtaining, obtaining a CPN is 100% legal. Please see this link that directs to the FBI website verifying the legality. See line 35 at the very bottom of the page. So we'll go to that right after we get done running through this and show you the legality of the CPN from the government's website. How long does the process take? In my case, 24 hours. I'll have your CPN number back if you had it made by me. Or it takes me 40 minutes to teach you how to make your own CPN number. So my class is 40 minutes. It's a phone class. It's $300 to take that phone class. 40 minutes, and you'll be able to teach yourself how to make your own CPNs, and also anyone else who you love and that's close and dear to you. Will the apartment complex be able to see my previous current evictions or bad credit history? No. When you use a CPN, the apartment complex will not be able to see any of your current or previous bad credit history. They will not be able to see it whatsoever. Will the CPN merge with my current credit report? No. Your CPN will not merge with your current credit report. That's if you do it correctly. If you do your CPN correctly, none of your information will merge. The purpose of a CPN is to protect your social security number and credit related information from getting to the wrong hands, reducing identity theft. And that's why I encourage people to use a CPN for apartments, utilities, or things like that. Because a lot of times those are the people who pass your information on to other people to use and steal. And also when you buy things, other things, people pass that information on for them to use and steal. So a good credit profile number will safeguard your primary credit. What if I cannot get approved through your program? Everyone will get approved if you do your CPN properly. You do not have to worry if it's created properly, and you will get approved. And I never seen not one person who did the things the correct way who did not get approved for apartment. So, well, we'll help you with that. Will the apartment complex be able to tell that I'm using a CPN? No, remember, CPN uses the same algorithm as a social security number. Moreover, there's no law that requires you to submit a social security card when you provide an application to rent an apartment. That is fact. You can provide alternative documents when you're applying for anything, a car, house, anything that requires your SSN. There is an alternative. You can use a bank statement. You can use a utility bill. You can also use credit card statements. Those all will help you identify yourself. That's all the Social Security number is for. It's just to identify yourself. And if you turn it on the reverse side of your Social Security card, you will see that at any time if the government requests your Social Security card back, you have to give it back. So therefore, a CPN will be a good use for you to get in a new apartment or car. It's not necessary to include all members of your household. However, you may add any person after you have moved into your apartment. You also have the option to purchase an additional CPN. Any of your household you wish to include on your application. So that's why I said if you take the class, you'll learn how to make your own CPN, And if you want to make up for your children without using their information, like some people do in the hood, they take their children's social security number and use it for utilities. You no longer have to do that. You can use a CPN. You don't have to use it and ruin your children's social security number. Use a CPN to help you with your utilities, help you with the apartment, or if you have been evicted, none of that will show up with using a CPN. So make sure you use a CPN. Then I'm gonna go into the legalities of it, of the CPN. Go to the government website and show you guys that the FBI on their website has stated that it's okay to use a CPN. So with that, I'm gonna move forward. You can get free consult, one free consult just to give you a general overview. But if you need a CPN, contact me. Everything's in the description down below. And thank you for tuning in. Let's see, we're on the government website here, and I just wanted to show you that this is the FBI website, an official website, United States government, FBI. And let's go down to the bottom, 35. And there you go. Credit privacy numbers. CPNs are 9-digit file numbers that follow the same algorithms as Social Security account numbers. Currently, federal law allows individuals to legally use CPNs for financial reporting and protects those individuals who do not wish to disclose their SSAN. Individuals who acquire CPNs are completely responsible for any debt that incur using this number. Acquiring a CPN is supposed to be a free service. Therefore, websites that offer CPNs for a fee are most likely scammers. So get with me. You know that I'm not a scammer, and I'll definitely show you how to make your own so you can get into any apartment that you want, get your car, and be totally private. Nobody can steal your information, and you can go about your business and handle it day to day. So with that being said, peace to the guys, and I thank you very much for watching.